Hey guys, Thomas Tallon here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm making a quick video of a 2021 Chaparral 237 SSX. Guys, beautiful boat. It's got the full black hull size color. Comes with this easy loader trailer, aluminum dual axle trailer as well. Guys, this is a freshwater boat, always used on Lake Hartwell here in Upstate South Carolina with approximately 197 hours. This particular boat is powered with the Volvo V6 250 horsepower. Bear with me as I climb aboard. Looking at the stern, you'll see a nice boarding ladder. Nice swim deck, fully covered in sea deck. Guys, lots of storage on this boat. This back cushion right here offers plenty of storage for ski ropes, bow lines. You have a nice transom walk-through. Looking at the cockpit, has a woven vinyl floor snapped in. Beautiful white upholstery with gray accents. Got plenty of storage throughout all your seats here in this boat. Take a quick look at the engine room. Nice clean bilges. The boat is currently winterized, ready for a new owner. Guys, has in the floor storage. You see a nice walk through up to the bow. Does have an air dam door right here with more storage. There's your table for the cockpit. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see nice push button switches. Got your Simrad, give you all your specs. Clarion stereo with another remote on the transom. And plenty of room up front, guys. I'm right at 5'11", and I can stretch all the way out to the front. Great boat. Guys, for more information, please reach out directly to Thomas Tallon. Be happy to go over the details with you. Thank you and have a great day.